Hello, I'm Tyler from Slide and Glide, Garage Doors and Gates Repair, and today we're going to talk about the most common problems with garage doors. Can you repair garage door dents? Fixing a garage door dent is depending on how bad the dent is. Most garage door dents will require replacement of the panel. There are some companies that may refurbish your panels, but realistically, it's cheaper to replace it than try to repair the panel, and that's what we recommend. If you're in Perth, WA, Slide and Glide would be happy to help. Click the link below for more information.